Alright, so what is going on, guys? It is your boy, Mighty Madrista, back at it again with a fresh new video. Now today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Now usually I do unboxing videos, but you know, shoes don't be coming like out every week, so it's kind of a little bit difficult to make videos. So I decided to do a little bit something different and start doing customs. You know, we're going to be expanding the channel a little bit. Don't worry, the unboxing videos are still going to be made once the shoes actually come out. So what we're going to be doing, boys, is we're going to be customizing these slides. Now, okay, so these are like the Benassi GDI, so you know, let's just do a quick unboxing. Yeah, it'll be really quick. All right, there it is. Here are the slides right here. But you know, I think they just they need something. They need a little bit of how do I say this? Swag. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing today is hydro dipping these slides. Now, before you guys say anything, I know I'm not the first person to do this, and I know this has been a thing on YouTube for a little bit in the fashion world or style or whatever you want to call it. But you know, I decided, you know, why not? I'm just gonna do it. I think they're pretty cool, and you know, why not make a video out of it? I wanted to do on these slides. So yeah. Now hold on. What makes this video a little bit more different though is the fact that this video is in 4K. Yeah, 4K. So you'll be seeing all the details and of the whole process and stuff like that. So if you could click on the gear button or the 3-dot button or whatever to configure your settings to make it into 4K if your TV screen or phone or whatever is capable of doing that. It'll be a really great viewing experience. The second reason as to why you should watch this video is because, as Cody's Co has said it best,
art, more like fart.
Now I don't know how that's supposed to like. Okay, now I don't know how I'm supposed to tie that in and why you should watch, but you know, like, I guess you just gotta appreciate art sometimes. So what I decided to get is white and then red. I don't know why I got these colors. Maybe it's because of this. No, not really. Now, if this actually turns out well, emphasis on if, because I really don't know what I'm doing. I'll be making more in the near future with different shoes, but I just kind of want to start off with slides because, you know, they're not as expensive and your boy isn't really loaded. So without further ado, let's get started. that's it, guys. So let me give you some tips and some of my thoughts on the whole process. Now, this is definitely much more difficult than I thought it actually would be. No lie, the whole process, the taping up, you know, putting out the letters of the Nike symbol and all that stuff. It looks easy, but it really isn't. Yeah, you have to kind of learn throughout the whole thing. The first time I kind of messed up when I was doing the hydro dipping because I left the paint. So this is the first tip. I left the paint on too long before I actually put the shoe in. So that's why I kind of look weird in that cut right there. So once you're putting all the spray paint, move it around and all that stuff, then put the shoe or slides in my case, whenever you want. All right, for the second tip, make sure you do it on something that isn't really relatively expensive, because I didn't want to do it on Air Force Ones. I didn't want to do it on some Vans, because if I messed up and I don't like the way it looks, you know, that was going to be a problem. Third tip is be patient. Like literally always be patient throughout the whole process, because it'll look much better. I was kind of rushing it a little. And then the fourth thing is also you gotta wear gloves, because that stuff will get on you. And at the same time, I recommend wearing a mask and some glasses, because you know it does get in your face a little bit, especially if it's a little bit windy that day. Now for the slides. Now the first one was just kind of test. I kind of wanted to do a majority red and then just a little bit of some white, and it didn't turn out as well. And also the Nike logo kind of looks a little bit iffy, because I think it was mainly the taping and how I carved it out with the X-Acto knife. It's kind of a little bit difficult because it kind of took me a long time to do that. So it kind of looks a little bit weird, but I really like slide number 2, how it came out. There's some minor errors here and there. Once again, it's my first time. You know, you're gonna make some mistakes. And I mean, yeah, I guess it looks kind of swag, I guess. And yeah, it's been your boy Mighty Madrista. And until next time, guys.